In this video, you will learn how to install a Kwikset door lever. First, you want to insert the door latch into the door, and using the two smaller screws, you will want to screw it in. Remember not to over-tighten the screws, or it could crack your door. Using the tool that came with your door lever, unscrew the handle from the base. Then, by pulling the paper tab upwards, take off the plate that goes over the base. You will need the two long but not pointed screws for this step. Now put the first side of the handle into the door. You might need to push down the latch to do this. Once that side is in, take the other side with the plate removed and attach it to the door. Make sure that it is going the proper direction. Also, make sure that the lock is in the horizontal position instead of vertical. Now, using the two long but not pointed screws that we talked about earlier, you will screw in the door handle, but only screw it in 2/3 of the way. Once it's in 2/3 of the way, press the door handle on the other side against the wall to make sure it's flush and in the proper place. Then, complete screwing the screws in. Once both sides are screwed on tight, I'd reattach the plate that we removed earlier. Once its plate is on, reattach the door handle and screw it in with the tool, but make sure the plate is on before you attach the handle. Now, using two more small screws, attach the strike plate to the woodwork. It's okay if there are a few pieces left after you completely install the handle.